Perform the indicated operation on the polynomial and simplify your answer completely. So in this one, it can be tempting to just multiply it out as is. I would recommend writing this out. So remember, when we talk about squared and exponents, those are saying I need to multiply whatever is inside these parentheses by itself 2 times. So in this case, I'm going to have 9t minus 2 times itself. Okay, so we'll have 2 9t minus 2's. So now I need to multiply these. I do highly recommend that you write it out. So we've got to FOIL them, so we've got to do 9t times 9t, 9t times negative 2, so we distribute basically to both. So 9t times 9t, we get 81t squared minus 9t times negative 2, we get negative 18t. Now we'll do the bottom. Got to distribute this negative 2 into both, so negative 2 times 9t, negative 2 times negative 2. So negative 2 times 9t, we get negative 18t, and then negative 2 times negative 2, we get plus 4. Okay, so we're just FOILing them out. Now we combine like terms. We can see again it's these middle two terms. So 81t squared minus, so we have negative 18. We're going down 18 more, so we'll be negative 36t. Make sure we combine these correctly, and if you're unsure, don't be afraid to use your calculator to check. Plus 4. Do we have any more like terms here? No, we don't, because this t has exponents, this t does not have an exponent, and this does not have a t. So that's going to be our final answer.